Hello, I am Sultan from S A STAR Footwear. We are manufacturer of footwear. Our manufacturing unit located in Delhi, India. If you are finding best quality footwear manufacture for your own brands, so this video very special for you. We can make export quality of footwear in your brand's logo name. We are using high quality raw materials for your brand's products. We have well-trained workers. We are providing worldwide shipping transport facilities. We also providing samples for the checking products. Quality: we have 10,000 plus model design in footwear. We can do all ties, carton box packing like 12 pairs, 24 pair, 48 pairs, carton packing as per need. If you want make a classic footwear range for own brands, so let's join S A STAR Footwear. We have mentioned our contact details in description. Please subscribe channel, like and share.